Is this on?
Yeah.
All right.
You want to ride the Beyond?
Yeah. Oh.
Alright. It's 20 minutes away, so.
You lead. Sorry.
Oh yeah, I need to get gas.
Yeah, sure, go. Oh, this weather is so nice. Oh my God, this weather is so nice. It is cold, but it's like good enough, you know? This is... Oh my God, go inside. Huh?
Is your bike flying off the record?
The only problem is that, you know, when the fan comes on, I think either the fan is damaged, yeah, or there's something rubbing off on the fan. I don't know which. Well, whenever I give it for a deep clean, I'm just gonna have them check it out.
Yeah.
But nothing else so far.
I don't think it's nothing major, but I can't say because your bike is heavy.
Yeah. Abomination car. Oh my God, that's a drift car. What's up? That was a drift car. That was awesome. Dude, why is it so hard to park that bike? It's just a 300cc bike, man.
That's what I call a good ride, bro.
Yeah, dude, that was awesome.
That was
awesome.
good. We were cutting up, look. It's so annoying because it was windy and like the wind kept pushing.
Yeah, my head was like that. You know, like those wobbly toys on the front of the dashboards people put?
Yeah. The wind kept pushing me around.
Yeah.
How are you?
Let's go see them bikes, man.
We're here to see some bikes.
Hey, brother. How are you?
Hey, good.
Hi, bro.
Hey, how are you, man? Long time. Yeah. How you been?
Good,
How are you,
alhamdulillah.
brother?
Good, alhamdulillah.
Oh my God, dude, look at that. But that is beautiful, man. The V4S, dude, look at that thing, bro. Look at the stealth mirrors and everything. Oh my God. Bro, this is a beauty. Oh, the thing is, the thing is off. Yeah, that's okay.
It was registered to someone.
Yeah. I think they brought it in today.
Yeah, damn.
Bro, I can't even hear you. That is so good. Oh, brother. It's got a whole bunch of alarms going off. Things going off. Ryan, this is lighter than your bike, dude.
Actually,
Oh my God, bro, no way.
this is my dream bike right here.
And it's so clean. Like,
The
this
guy
is.
is selling a black one with 5,000 kilometers 2020.
Oh, wait, how many does this have on it? Nothing.
7K.
It's stock too.
But I'm definitely not ready for an R6.
Why not?
I'm gonna give it like another year.
Why not?
Bro, I'll kill myself on this, bro.
They added some new jigsaws.
I'm not gonna lie, that black juice is nice. Dude, I look you wanna hear this.
Call me crazy, but jigsaws, this jigsaw 1000 looks nice.
Everyone keeps saying the R1 is the best sound.
Dude, what is this?
Dude, this was like the craziest bike that I've heard.
Kawasaki Ninja, man.
With a Yamaha. Dude, everyone says the R1 is the best sound on YouTube. Like, how to Japanese video?
How are you?
Do you mind if I like?
We've been doing it to every bike, so might as well.
But this one for service customer service.
Yeah. Oh.
Coming to service.
Oh, okay. You had one more.
Already sold.
The red V4.
Ducati V4S, Street Fighter,
Oh, okay.
but only V4 already sold. Panigale V4 sold. So I have one, but now in Ducati.
That thing popped.
Bro, I can't lie, I think that is the best sound on YouTube.
Look at this.
This is CBR. 1000.
I have no idea what this is.
It's definitely a 1000. It's a CBR. It's so clean.
And it's so loud.
Yeah, this is the loudest bike I've heard in the whole showroom. Made to death.
I don't know. I don't even know why this key is in here. What I don't understand is that the seat is soft to the touch. When you sit on it, I'm sitting on stone. What that dash? Oh, no dash. Great. Never mind. Oops. Look at that tire. I should get a bigger tire for my bike. Apparently it throws the R6 out of balance. Dude, let me...
It really makes me sad that I'm not tall enough for this bike. But this...
You're still growing, right?
No.
No?
19, bro.
This is the best bike here. I would like to call it the Harley Davidson Bloody Hell. I have no idea what this is. How do you even turn it on? Is this electric? How do you turn this on? Oh my god. There's no point in even turning this on. I have a whole bunch of stuff. Accessories. They're coming up. It's okay. I gotta get myself one of those. Preferably black and yellow, which they don't seem to have. They have full black. No black and yellow. That's sad. Sad backwards is das. That's not good. All right.
You different?
Yeah, we can. Let me just, yeah. Yeah. Up to you. Oh, the M2.
No, 230.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's not a proper M2? That's sad.
That's 2025.
That is so quiet.
Has the iDrive there.
That is embarrassing.
It might be electric.
That is embarrassing. Oh, dude, I left my phone and gloves in the shop. That is embarrassing.